Welcome to section 3, the core concepts. What does the word business mean and why most businesses fail? Now that you know the motivation that underpins the creation of this course, in this section we will focus on learning the meaning of the word business from various perspectives. This is something very important and we will go through the three different definitions of the word business. Firstly, the exact definition as per Old English from where the word originated, and I will tell you why this definition is valid even today. Secondly, we will know the definition of the word business in today's English, and finally, we will mention the third definition which comes from my 18 years of business consulting, entrepreneurial and coaching experience. It is something which many business owners must reflect on so that they can create a sustainable cash flow and remain profitable. So the main reason of explaining the meaning of word business via these three different perspectives is that you understand and reflect on them. Also, it is important that you fully understand the reasons behind their origin. Furthermore, you will need to understand how these three meanings converge to the same underlying concept. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed to the first lecture of this section.